Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about C program for swapping of two numbers without using temporary variable. In the previous video, we are already discussed about C program for swapping of two numbers by using temporary variable. Okay, first we have to explain the logic. After that, we can see the implementation of swapping of two numbers without using temporary variable. First, I am taking two variables A and B. These two variables are integer variables. Variable A contains 20 value and variable B contains 10. So before swapping, A value is 20 and B value is 10. Okay. Now we have to implement the swapping logic. For that one, without using temporary variable, how this swapping of two numbers can be done. First, A is equal to A plus B. Next, B is equal to A minus B. Next, A is equal to A minus B. So this is three lines of code for swapping of two numbers without using temporary variable. First, we have to verify this logic whether it is correct or not. First, A equal to A plus B. First, we have to calculate the right hand side expression A plus B. A value is 20 and B value is 10. 20 plus 10, that is 30. 30 can be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, that is A. So now A contains 30 after evaluating the expression on the right hand side A plus B. Okay, next statement is B is equal to A minus B. What is A value in the previous statement? A value is 30. Okay. What is B value? B value is 10. Okay. So now B. Next statement, A equal to A minus B. In the previous statement, what is B value? 20. In the previous statement, what is A value? 30. Now A is equal to A minus B. 30 minus 20, that is 10. Okay. After executing these three statements, so what is the A value and B value you are getting? So now A value is 10 and B value is equal to 20. Okay. So these two values are before swapping. So before swapping, A value is 20 and B value is 10. After completing the swapping logic, so what are the values we are getting? A value is 10 and B value is 20. Now, swapping is nothing but simply we are interchanging the values of two variables. So before swapping, A value is 20 and B value is 10. After swapping, A value is 10 and B value is 20. Here we are not using any temporary variable. Only we are using two variables A and B. By using two variables, we are implementing the swapping logic. In the previous program, we are using the temporary variable. By using temporary variable, we are swapping the values of two numbers. That is already implemented in the previous video. Now we can see the implementation. Now this is the implementation of whatever the logic that we are already explained. First, we are including two header files to our program. The first header file is hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file. The second header file hash include conio.h, console input output header file. Next, every C program starts its execution with a main function. So main function does not return any value, so that we have to write void before the main function. Void is an empty data type. Next, we are declaring two integer variables a and b. So next one, CLR SCR, it is a clear screen function. It clears the output screen. This function available in the header file called hash include conio.h, so that we must include this header file to our program. Next, printf enter a and b values. These two values are read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So scanf double quotes begin %d double quotes end comma ampersand a comma ampersand b. So a and b values are read from the keyboard. Once we are reading the a and b values from the keyboard, first we are printing the a value and b value before implementing the swapping logic. So printf before swapping, a value is equal to %d slash and double quotes and a. Here a value is printed. Next, printf b value is equal to %d slash and double quotes and comma b. B value is printed. So before swapping, a and b values are printed. Now we are implementing the logic of swapping without using temporary variable. A is equal to a plus b. Next, b is equal to a minus b. Next, a equal to a minus b. After executing these three statements, again we are printing the a value and b value. So printf after swapping, a value is equal to %d slash and double quotes and a value, and b value is equal to %d slash and double quotes and b value. So once we are printing the a value and b value after swapping, we are terminating the program. So first we have to save the program. Next, we are compiling the program. For compiling the program, we are using the command called Alt plus F9. So we are getting 0 warnings and 0 errors. Then we have to run the program. For running the program, we have to use the command called Control plus F9. So and in the output screen, they can ask enter a and b values. So a value is 10. Space, we are giving b value 20. A value 10, b value 20. Before swapping, what is the value of a? 10. Before swapping, what is the value of b? 20. So a value is 10, b value is 20 before swapping. After swapping, a value becomes 20 and b value is 10. So this is the simple logic for swapping of two numbers without using temporary variable. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Thank you one and all for watching this video.